Meaning of Labor Day.
Labor Day.
Labor Day.
Labor Day.
Labor Day. Labor Day is a public holiday in many countries, including the United States, that is dedicated to celebrating the contributions and achievements of workers. It is typically observed on the first Monday in September in the United States. The holiday originated in the late 19th century, during a time when labor movements were advocating for better working conditions and shorter workdays. Today, Labor Day is often marked with parades, picnics, and other festive gatherings, and it serves as an important reminder of the ongoing need to protect workers' rights and improve workplace conditions.